Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about numbers, colors, and even a little bit about our friends from Sesame Street using these cool, colorful boxes. Do you see how many boxes we have? Yeah, we have 7. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes all together. And each box is a different color. Let's check it out. This box is red. Can you think of some things that are red? How about a strawberry? Yeah, that's red. What about a fire truck? Yep, that's red too. And what about a ladybug? Yep, ladybugs are red. Let's move on to our next color. This box is orange. Can you think of some things that are orange? Is a basketball orange? Yep, it's orange. How about a carrot? Yeah, that's orange too. How about a bumblebee? Is a bumblebee orange? No, that's not orange. Let's try to think of something else. Is a clownfish orange? Yep, a clownfish is orange too. All right, let's do another color. This box is yellow. Let's try to think of some things that are yellow. Is a lemon yellow? Yeah, a lemon is yellow. How about a school bus? Yep, a school bus sure is yellow. And what about a baby chick? Yeah, baby chicks are yellow too. And they sure are cute. This box is green. Let's try to think of some things that are green. Is a frog green? Yep, frogs are green. Is an avocado green? Yep, that's green too. What about an elephant? Is an elephant green? No, elephants aren't green. Let's try to think of something else. How about a tree? Is a tree green? Yep, trees sure are green. This box is blue. What are some things that you can think of that are blue? Are blueberries blue? Yep, of course, blueberries are blue. Is the sky blue? Yep, it sure is. And how about robin's eggs? Yep, robin's eggs are a pretty shade of blue. This box is purple. Let's try to think of some things that are purple. Are grapes purple? Yeah, grapes can be purple. How about lavender flowers? Yup, those are purple too. How about turtles? Are turtles purple? No, turtles are not purple. Let's try to think of something else. How about purple cabbage? Of course, purple cabbage is purple. This box is pink. Can you think of any things that are pink? Is a flamingo pink? Yep, they sure are. How about cherry blossoms? Are cherry blossoms pink? Yep, those are pink too. And how about little pigs? Are pigs pink? Yeah, pigs are pink. All right, now that we've thought of a few different things that go with each of our colors, let's match all of our colors to one of our friends from Sesame Street. Each one of our boxes has a different character inside. Let's see who we have. Here's our red box. Can you think of a character from Sesame Street that's red? All right, let's find out who's inside. It's Elmo. Elmo is red.
This is the song, la 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 la, Elmo song.
Here's our orange box. Can you think of a character from Sesame Street that's orange? All right, let's see if you're right. It's Ernie. Ernie is orange.
Rubber ducky, you're the one.
Here's our yellow box. Can you think of a friend from Sesame Street that's yellow? Okay, let's see who it is. It's Big Bird. Big Bird is yellow.
Birds of a feather flock together.
But wait a sec. There's another friend from Sesame Street that's also yellow. Can you think of who it is? I'll give you a hint. It's Ernie's best friend. It's Bert. Bert, like Big Bird, is also yellow. Here's our green box. Can you think of anyone that lives on Sesame Street that's green? Okay, let's see if you're right. It's Oscar the Grouch. Oscar is green.
Scram!
And here's our blue box. Can you think of anyone from Sesame Street that's blue? Let's see who it is. It's Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster is blue.
Nom 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 nom.
All right, here's our purple box. Can you think of anyone from Sesame Street that's purple? Okay, let's see who it is. It's the Count. The Count is purple.
1, 2, 3. Oh, oh, oh.
Last but not least, we have our pink box. Can you think of anyone that lives on Sesame Street that's pink? Okay, let's see if you're right. It's Abby Cadabby. Abby is pink.
Whippity zap.
All right, we did it. We matched all of our colors to our friends from Sesame Street. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun. Who's your favorite character from Sesame Street? I'll see you again next time. Bye!